Alright guys, what's up? So we've had a ton of unboxings lately and we got another one coming. Got that first paycheck, all them bonuses. But anyway, like the title says, we got some Nikes to unbox. Wait, hold up. Alright, that's a little bit better. So these are the Nike Daybreak Undercovers, and it's the green and red colorway. Reminds me a lot of the Nike Heineken collaboration that they had, those low top ones. Some of these colorways sold out right away. This was one of the ones that didn't actually sell out right away. It's actually probably still in stock, and these are women's shoes, but Nike displays like the men's conversion size right next to it. I saw the full-size run sneaker shopping video where Trinidad was wearing these in the blue colorway, and I was like, alright, I'm definitely getting these. I'd already decided before that, but I was like, alright, I'm definitely getting these. But with that being said, let's just do it and get this unboxing started.
Rocket, I'm saying, put me up in the big blue. You did? My fucking brother. What's up, Jake? Oh, Dexter.
Yeah, alright. Pulled up a walk in the big blue. Don't wanna sip, but your bitch do. Looking at your diamonds so foo-foo. A pussy ass nigga wear hula hoop. Wait, if they tell me get in my gal. A pint said color rocket. Running your house, I don't drop it. Don't want that bitch, man, I tell her to stop it. Pulled up a walk in the big blue. Don't wanna sip, but your bitch do. Looking at your diamonds so foo-foo. A pussy ass nigga wear hula hoop. Wait, if they tell me get in my gal. A pint said color rocket. Running your house, I don't drop it. Don't want that bitch, man, I tell her to stop it. Running your house, I don't drop it. Open the safe, boy, you better not lock it. Don't want that bitch, she ain't poppin'. She fuck with the fame and not rockin'. Fly as hell like my nigga name is Peter. I just went buy a new freezer. Don't want that bitch, she a eater. You wiping that bitch, don't believe her. Wait, walk. Sippin' that walk, I don't stop. Sippin' that walk in my heart. My diamond shine in the dark. Wait, I just pull up in the Billy Coupe. Pussy ass nigga wear tutu. A diamond's color like some fruit. Call up Chino, man, you know he gon' shoot. Dexter, pulled up a walk in the big blue. Don't wanna sip, but your bitch do. Looking at your diamonds so foo-foo. A pussy ass nigga wear hula hoop. Wait, if they tell me get in my gal. A pint said color rocket. Running your house, I don't drop it. Don't want that bitch, man, I tell her to stop it. Pulled up a walk in the big blue. Don't wanna sip, but your bitch do. Looking at your diamonds so foo-foo. A pussy ass nigga wear hula hoop. Wait, if they tell me get in my gal. A pint said color rocket. Running your house, I don't drop it. Don't want that bitch, man, I tell her to stop it.
I tend to put like a lot of thought into something before I order it, especially with how expensive most of these like streetwear items are. So I mean, like I said, I was contemplating getting this, and I probably contemplated it for a good like 2 weeks, and then I was finally like, all right, I really want these. And even before then, I saw them and I was like, wow, these are really cool. I love that colorway, and I started thinking about buying them. But anyway, with that being said, I really like these. I think these are super cool. They're very lightweight, which is kind of surprising. And also, I was kind of expecting this material, the like shell of the shoe, to actually be a little bit stronger or sturdier. But it's actually just this like really soft, like flexible, almost like a nylon material or something like that. Very similar to like the front of most trucker hats, where they have like the little cushion behind it. So that gives you like a little bit of an idea. I really like these shoelaces too. You have some really cool branding on the tongue. I think you got the Jun Takahashi Undercover, the contrasting blue swoosh, even though you don't have any blue on here. But I feel like I have like normal, if not normal, maybe a little bit wider feet, and they still fit fine. The Nike recommended size is pretty true to size. Maybe a little bit small, but that's probably just because, you know, women's shoes and converting into that. So moving on to the back of the shoe, this is where you got like a whole lot going on. And this is where the shoe actually differs from the traditional Daybreak. Before I jump into that though, this is like a running or a trail shoe. You'll see on the bottom you have like all these like spikes or just like blocks sticking down for traction, which feels a little bit weird to walk on, but it's not like, but it's nothing you can't get used to, and it's not uncomfortable. But yeah, moving to the back of the shoe, this is where it gets wild. So the normal Daybreaks are just, you know, the normal version of this. You know, you can imagine how this would not be wild. So you have this like hard plastic part right here, or rubber, I'm not quite sure what it is, but this part is actually like pretty hard. It does have like a little bit of flex, so it can flex with the shoe. And you got this leather tab coming down on the back with the Undercover branding. I actually think it's kind of an interesting design choice to make this kind of like just a floppy tab instead of just sewing it down to the heel. Maybe that's so it wouldn't pop off or something. I'm not sure. That is maybe the one thing I don't like about this shoe. I wish that was, you know, sewn onto the heel along with everything else. But yeah, moving to the inside of the shoe, right here you have leather on the back and then leather on the sides. So it's nice and sturdy. It'll it'll keep up for you. So the last little detail I guess I'll go over is on the paint splatters sole, you have the Undercover branding yet again right there. Kind of loud, a little bit louder and easier to notice, along with the U on the back. That's really cool branding, I think. But yeah, with that being said, I really like these shoes. I'm happy with the purchase. They were $160, which is going rate for a lot of the Nike shoes. So it's not like a crazy price, especially with like, there are a lot of details that are going on this shoe. So it makes sense to be 160. And you know, if you take care of the shoes, like, these will last a long time. So that's about it. I'm a big fan of these shoes. I'm happy with my purchase, and I gotta find some more stuff to rock with them. I think this will go decent with it. And my my rugby that I just got in one of my other unboxings, I think that'll be decent with it. But yeah, other than that, leave a like if you guys did enjoy the video. Comment what you guys think of the shoes. Are you guys a fan of the colorway? Is there another colorway you liked more? Is there another colorway you'd like to see? I don't know. How do you guys feel about the shoes? Feel free to follow me on my Instagram right here, where I post like some behind the scenes stuff. I go live every now and then. But yeah, just if you're like a fan and you subscribe, just, you know, follow the Instagram, trust me. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.